Hello, today we're in Carlsbad at the Carlsbad Flower Market, and here is wax flower. If you've been to my school, you know that I love wax flower. It makes everything beautiful. We have a great selection of wax flower here today. Moving on, we have hypericum berries in every color. And here we have a sea of Gerber daisies, one of my favorites, as well as mini green carnations. So look at the rows of flowers. This is where all the flowers from Michael's Flower Garden arrive, and then we pack them up and send them to you. Goes on and on forever. Michael's Flower Garden. Go to michaelsflowergarden.com and order a box. We send out huge boxes of flowers for you. FedExed overnight. It's the only way to do it. That is the difference. Overnight versus 4 or 5 days on trains, boats, and buses from Ecuador and other countries. We're using mostly American grown flowers from the fields of California, shipped to you overnight. So check it out. Keep blooming with michaelsflowergarden.com. For class information, go to flowerschool101.com and join us in class for a design session. I am hosting classes in 15 cities. You can also order our online classes where a box of flowers will be sent to you. Again, FedExed overnight. And you can watch the video over and over and learn that way. The students have been doing spectacular work that way. So I hope you're having a bright and wonderful day, and hope this cheers your day. If you need some sunshine and flowers, because this is where it's at. It's Michael's Flower Garden at michaelsflowergarden.com.